Finish it up February. You guys in it to win it? Let's get these kits finished up. This is hosted by Charlie Mack and that Tim guy over at Throttle Power. Oh, this is Throttle Power. Alright. Let's take a look at the other side of this board. It's all finished up, shellacked, ready to send out. Got to get those kits finished to be entered. I'm going to show you the three I just finished up. First one, you can obviously see it's a Michael Waltrip car, 1990 NASCAR Pontiac Grand Prix, sponsored by Maxwell House and Country Time. This car was owned by Bahari Racing, and Michael would get top 5 finishes and 5 more top 10 finishes out of this car. This was a fun little build. This is something I had painted and decaled, pretty much started back about when this kit come out, about 1990. Added some wheel weights, valve stems, painted the interior to kind of match the blue, just like on the wheels. And on the tires, I added the markings for left front, right front, things like that. Here's the next one. Good old Swervin' Ervan. I always liked Ernie Ervan. He was a neat driver, and as we know, he was a driver that lost an eye in a pretty bad wreck. But anyway, back to this car. This is Ernie Ervan's number 4 Chevy Lumina. It's the Kodak film car. And who would have ever thought that Kodak film would pretty much be no longer nowadays. I would have never guessed that back in the day. This car was owned by Morgan and McClure, and the little history on this car: Ernie replaced Phil Parsons in the middle of the '90s season to get in this number 4 car. And then Ernie would go ahead and race this and be very successful in this car. He even won the Daytona 500 in '91. And then when Davey Allison died in July of '93, Ernie would leave this team and then go replace Davey. Just like the Country Time car, I added the wheel weights, valve stems, markings on the tires. Went with a gray interior, gray chassis. And again, this car was painted and decaled back when it came out in about 1990 as well, whenever the kit came out. So it was nice to get this one finished also. Okay, ironically, these are all yellow. I didn't mean to do that. But another one that I had painted and decaled back when it first came out, in probably the early 90s. I noticed now that I was even missing a few things, like the pins, the hood pins, trunk pins. I didn't have those when I finished the model up just the other day. But this is another one I got finished this month for Finish It Up February. This is a Busch Grand National car. Remember the old Busch series? I always loved that series. This is a Harry Gant car, and I just also noticed I don't have the Harry Gant decal on there. But anyway, this is a number 7 Mac Tools car. It's a Buick Regal. Come out, Harry raced this car in '92, and he was very successful in it for a Busch car. The NASCAR drivers would jump over to the Busch series back then, I think, to pretty much get the Busch series going, to keep it going. And Harry ran 14 races in the Busch series with this car, and out of 14 races he won twice, and those wins came at Richmond and Bristol. And just like the others, I wheel weights, valve stems, fun car, chassis, interior tub, all gray. That's kind of when racing was racing. Well, those are my Finish It Up for February builds. I got 3 of them. Who knows, I may have another one. We'll see. Alright, there's my 3 kits that I got finished up for February. Get those kits finished up, guys, to get a chance to win this award. Now, of course, I'm not going to let Charlie's kit finished get a chance to win this award, and I'm not going to let that Tim guy get a chance to win this award either. He's going to have to send this out to a lucky winner. So we'll see who wins this. Stay tuned.